welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an unboxing video, and POPSY sent me a package today, guys. So they sent me an iPhone, guys. Yes, they sent me an iPhone. So here it is. They sent me an iPhone and we're gonna unbox this later. So before we start, guys, I'm gonna tell you about POPSY first.
Started facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
POPSY sells refurbished iPhones at a fraction of the price with a team of high-quality professional refurbishers. They work very hard to maintain high standards of reliability and warranty while also trying to keep the price point to affordable levels. When you buy a refurbished iPhone, you can promote zero waste and care for our world. According to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, a UK-based charity focused on promoting a circular economy, remanufactured products save up to 98% of CO2 emission compared to equivalent new products thanks to decreased mining, refining, and machining. So guys, let's start unboxing this iPhone. So this is the iPhone XS Max and it's already unlocked. So meaning you can put your SIM here. And then it's 256 gig and in color gold. So here, actually guys, I already opened this yesterday. So as you can see, it's sealed, but I already opened it because I'm super excited to see this. That's why I opened this already yesterday. So here, so as you can see, there's plastic right here, and then that one. So it's in color gold. There, it's pretty. Looks like new, guys. There's no scratches there. So here's the side there, and of course it comes with the charger. So here's the charger. There's still a plastic here, and then here. So here's the charger, guys. There. So here's the charger, and here for the SIM card, the pin, and then that's it, guys. There's no headphone or earphone there. So let's turn this on. There. Oh my god, this is so pretty, guys. This is the iPhone XS Max. So I'm the one who chose this. There. See, it's pretty new. English, United States, set up manually, set up later, the Face ID. It's the terms and condition. Agree. And then continue. Keep your iPhone up to date. Continue. Set up later. The Siri. I'm gonna set up this later. Screen time. Continue. Maybe light. Zoom. Standard. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe to get started. There. So I have to connect this to the Wi-Fi first. And guys, what's nice about it is this is a 12-month warranty. Yes, you heard it right. It's 12-month warranty. And this is 30 days free returns, guys. So if you're not happy with your purchase or if you're not satisfied with your purchase, you can return this in 30 days, guys. Only 30 days, 30. So that's pretty nice. And you know, guys, you can actually buy a phone for only $99. So their phone is starting with $99 and apps. So they also have the latest iPhone, guys. So there. So guys, I highly recommend POPSY because as you can see, it's pretty new. There's no scratches at all. See? It's so clean. Look at the side there. It's so pretty, guys. And if you're planning to buy an iPhone, guys, go to POPSY website. I will be leaving the link down in the description box below. If you guys are planning to give someone an iPhone, you must go to POPSY, guys. That is the best deal. POPSY will give you the best deal, guys. And of course, don't forget to use my discount code. It's Rhea Magno 10. So I'll put here. There. And also, I will be leaving the link down in the description box below, their website, my discount code, and all of that stuff. And here, I'm super duper happy with my new phone. I super love it. And it's super pretty, guys. I super love it. There. I super love this, guys. So there, thank you so much POPSY for giving me this iPhone, and I will definitely gonna use this for my upcoming videos because as you can tell, you really need two phones. I actually have two phones, guys. This iPhone 12 Pro Max and then the iPhone 7 Plus, but I don't really use the iPhone 7 Plus anymore. It's just that it's hard to let go the iPhone 7 Plus because there's a lot of memories there and there's a lot of videos, photos with my family. So yeah, I don't really use my iPhone 7 Plus anymore. So this one will really helps me for vlogging because it's really hard if I'm using only one phone, guys, because you know, if you're vlogging, you need to take a lot of shots, you need to take a lot of films. So yeah, this will really help me a lot for my upcoming videos. I will literally gonna use this for vlogging because my iPhone 12 Pro Max is I'm gonna use this on my personal, guys, like you know, the social medias, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and all of that stuff. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna use on my upcoming videos, guys, and I'm super duper excited. So here, I'm gonna set up this later. I'm gonna connect this to the Wi-Fi first so that I can download all of the apps that I need here. So there, I super love this iPhone, guys. So here. So there you have it, guys, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next one. Bye!